Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious granola with a few simple ingredients. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a large bowl, add 4 cups of oats, 3 tablespoons of flax seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut. Mix the ingredients together until they are evenly distributed. Next, add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of agave nectar. Mix the ingredients together until you have a nice thick texture. Cover your baking sheet with parchment paper and spread the mixture. Bake for 20-30 minutes or until it's golden brown color. Once your granola is done baking, let it cool. Now it's time to get creative and add some of your favorite ingredients. You can add ham hearts, raisins, nuts, or even some chocolate chips for a sweet treat. After you have added your favorite ingredients, your granola is ready to be enjoyed. Granola is a great snack. It's packed with minerals, vitamins, and healthy fats, so why not give it this delicious and nutritious granola a try? I hope you liked this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!